Come with me, let's start our ride. Learn the letters side by side. From A to Z, let's sing and play with cars and trucks along the way. A's for ambulance, zoom down the lane. B is for bus, here comes the train. C is a car, so shiny and red. D is a dump truck full up ahead. A is for excavator, dig in the ground. F is fire truck, hear the loud sound. G is garbage truck, picking up fast. H is a helicopter flying past. I is ice cream truck, yay sweet treat. J is a jet flying fast and neat. K is for kayak splashing with glee. L is limousine long as can be. M is a motorcycle, zoom and go. A narrow boat, sailing slow. O is off-road, bumpy and wild. P is police car, strong and styled. Q is for quad bike, racing four wheels. R is race car with speedy skills. S is school bus, beep let's ride. T is a train going side to side. U is unizongun, just one wheel. V is a van with a picnic meal. W is wagon, pulling along. X-ray truck beeps in our song. Y is yacht, sailing blue sea. Z is Zeppelin fly.